Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can book a road test in Alberta. In order to do so, here we are at eservices.alberta.ca, and you might want to search for booking a driver's road test. You should come to this page here, and then you could see the option to book a passenger vehicle road test. You can click here. That's going to bring you to this page. And if we scroll down, if you click on this, then this is going to bring you back around to the previous page. So you actually want to scroll down here and you're going to see a map. And here you're going to want to search for your location. And once you have found the location that's closest to you, then you can just click on the pin on the map and you can see here for yourself the option to book a test. Click on that to proceed in order to book your vehicle test, your road test in Alberta. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find an information on our link tree and our upcoming intro to AI webinars, as well as discount code Skillcraft60 to get started with Sintra AI and get a 60% discount, and links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.